Minister Nihal Chand continues to stay adamant, asked the media why he should step down as a central minister.
सर क्या कोई इस्तीफा देने वाले हो क्या?
क्यों? मैं क्यों दूंगा? नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स। नो कमेंट्स। आपको पता है सारे कहानी का नो कमेंट्स
हो गया ना सर? सर क्या कोई इस्तीफा देने वाले हो क्या?
क्यों? मैं क्यों दूंगा? नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स। नो कमेंट्स। आपको पता है सारे कहानी का नो कमेंट्स
हो गया ना सर?
Aditya joining us on the phone line for more on that. Aditya, earlier as well, our crew was heckled by Minister Nihal Chand, and this time around, once again, he continues to be defiant, adamant, questioning the media instead, and ask the media why he should resign.
Well, absolutely. Nihal Chand Megwal has been defiant yet again. He is not answering or giving any explanation on the stinging allegations by the victim in question. When victim spoke to Times Now, she had categorically mentioned that she was being threatened continuously. In fact, she was being lured as well. She was offered large sum of money as well as a government job by Nihal Chand and his men who visited her village. But at this moment, Nihal Chand says that he will not resign. He is not budging at this moment. In the morning, his men and his supporters tried to muzzle the press when they heckled Times Now crew. When Times Now in his native village asked him questions related to these allegations of rape. Now, there is complete silence, not just on part of the accused in this particular case. These allegations have been leveled against him, but also the entire NDA government. The Congress, however, had a protest outside the BJP headquarters today. The Mahila Morcha demanding justice, saying that this particular person, Nihal Chand Megwal, should step down. He should be removed from the post till the court decides whether he is innocent or he is held guilty in this particular case. So for the second straight day, Nihal Chand Megwal in his native village, in his constituency, Ganganagar, remains defiant. He says he will not resign, he will not budge, and even as there are stinging allegations of rape against him.
All right, Aditya, getting us those inputs on Nihal Chand's silence there. And in related news, the Congress has stepped up its attack on Nihal Chand. The party's Mahila Morcha staged a protest outside BJP headquarters in the national capital, demanding the minister's resignation.
हमारी मांग है जो कानून बनाए हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कि कोई भी जिनके ऊपर चरित्र पर दाग है, लेकिन ये केंद्र सरकार में निहाल चंद जी को क्यों लिया गया जब इनके ऊपर भी रेप का जो आरोप है, जो महिलाओं के ऊपर अत्याचार हो रहा है, इतना होने के बावजूद भी ये मंत्रिमंडल में क्यों है? अगर कानून सभी के लिए तो वो एक समान होने चाहिए। हमारी मांग ये है कि ये अपना त्याग पत्र दे। नरेंद्र मोदी जो चुनाव से पहले महिलाओं की सुरक्षा की बात करते हैं, आज कहाँ गई वो सुरक्षा? खुद विदेश दौरों में बैठे और आज महिलाओं के साथ अत्याचार हो रहा है। क्या कार्रवाई की उन्होंने? ये सिर्फ चुनावी वादे थे, चुनाव जीतने के लिए।